Hello and welcome back to Medical. Today I am going to discuss with you world's largest pharmaceuticals, that is Max Reno Pharmaceuticals, producing these tablets, that is Glucophage XR, into the extended release tablets into the formulation of 400 milligram, that is user side effects and pharmacological actions, interactions and contraindications. I am going to discuss with you what is the tablet is doing in our body, how we need to take this medicine, which prescription it is available, either we need to consult with doctor. I'm going to discuss with you in this session as a medical, as a registered pharmacist in front of you, friends. Actually, the glucophage, it contains a metformin hydrochloride as an ingredient, that is based upon the derivative is bugonides. It contains the anti-hyperglycemic agents used to treating the non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. That means it is related to the derivative of non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Actually, it is one of the famous diabetic drug around the globe. It is discovered in the UK, that is London, United Kingdom, friends. Now I am going to discuss with you what are the side effects will occur we are taking continuously prolonged time. The side effects will occur means some people, so 1 to 10% of people are suffering from this, less than 10%, that is diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, flatulence, weakness. From 1 to 10% of people are suffering from chest discomfort, dizziness, indigestion and stools. Lactic acidosis is the major side effect of vitamin D, metformin hydrochloride. Those who are taking the metformin hydrochloride, they will occurs the lactic acidosis and diabetic neuropathic problem. Neuropathy is the major problems are suffering from the diabetic patients. And metformin, what is the mechanism of action means, it decreases the hepatic glucose production, decreases the intestinal absorption of glucose and improves the insulin sensitivity by increasing the peripheral glucose uptake and utilization. Means it reduces the production of glucose in the liver, friends, that is glucagon. It inhibiting the production of glucagon means automatically the glucose will maintain the level of in the insulin into the pancreas. Pancreas is a major role acting that is alpha cells and beta cells of our body, that is mainly acting the insulin. Means what are the interactions are available means, those who are taking the carbonic anhydrase inhibitor tablets, means that tablets will interact with this metformin. And metformin's also interaction with corticosteroids, diuretics, ethyl alcohol and iodinated contrast agents. Those who are taking these types of tablets, I in front of your screen I had written in the board, they need to consult with their doctors. I am taking this type of medicines, is there any interactions, they need to consult. Then when the doctors know what are the medications are using you on, so after that we are going to the contraindications. What are the contraindications are available in these medicines? That means the contraindication of tablets for lactic acidosis is rare. Those people are suffering from the lactic acidosis, then you no need to take the metformin therapy. And renal dysfunction patients also, they are risk of acidosis. And alcohol potential, those who are taking the drinking, they no need to take these tablets, they need to consult with their physician. This and all, friends, thank you for watching, keep supporting us. I will come back with new video. Till that, thank you for watching my channel, keep supporting us, keep subscribe my channel, click the all notifications as a bell icon.